Does size really matter? The cruise industry thinks so. For more than a century, cruise lines have competed to claim the title of the world's largest cruise ship. When it set sail in 1912, the ill-fated Titanic was the largest and grandest passenger vessel of its time. But, as of 2009, when Royal Caribbean debuted its first Oasis-class ship, the superlative applies to vessels more than 5 times Titanic's size. So, what is the biggest cruise ship in the world? In this episode 1 we'll show top 10 biggest cruise ship in the world. So I hope you stay with me till the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to the channel. Number 10. Costa Smeralda. Costa Smeralda is an Excellence-class cruise ship currently operated by Costa Cruises, a subsidiary of Carnival Corporation and plc Italy. The 185,010 gross tonnage vessel is 1,105 feet in length and total cost of $950 million to build. The ship was constructed on June 29, 2015, and it was finally launched on March 15, 2019. It has 20 decks and a guest maximum capacity of around 6,554 passengers. Costa Smeralda is powered by dual-fuel hybrid engines and its maximum speed is 39.8 km per hour. Number 9. Costa Tasana. Costa Tasana is the third ship of the Costa Group and it is the sister company of Carnival Corporation in Italy. The 185,010 gross tonnage vessel is 1,105 feet long and costs in build $950 million. The ship has 20 decks, which accommodate 11 restaurants and 19 themed bars. The passenger capacity of the ship is 6,554 and the maximum speed is 43 km per hour. Number 8. MSC World Europa. MSC World Europa is a world-class cruise ship currently under construction for MSC Cruises at the Chantiers de l'Atlantique shipyard in Saint-Nazaire, France. The ship is 1,092 feet long and has a gross tonnage of approximately 205,700. It has 22 decks and a guest capacity of around 5,400 passengers. The LNG-powered luxury liner cost €4.5 billion to build. The world-class cruise ship was constructed on June 29, 2020, and it's finally launched on December 2, 2021. AIDA Nova. AIDA Nova is a cruise ship built by Meyer Werft GmbH in Papenburg, Germany under contract from Carnival Corporation for AIDA Cruises. The ship is the first cruise ship in the world that can operate completely using liquefied natural gas. The total weight of the ship is a gross tonnage of approximately 183,858. The ship was launched on August 21, 2018. AIDA Nova has 16 decks and the maximum capacity of the ship is 6,654 passengers. Number 6. Carnival Marty GR. Carnival Marty GR is an Excellence-class cruise ship operated by Carnival Cruise Line. The ship is Carnival's lead vessel of the fleet's Excel class, a subclass of the Excellence class, and was built by Finnish shipbuilder Meyer Turku in Turku, Finland. Marty GR measures gross tonnage of 181,808 and has a maximum passenger capacity of 6,500 passengers, with approximately 2,000 crew members. The total length of the ship is 1,130 feet and the maximum speed is 43 km per hour. Number 5. Allure of the Seas. The Allure of the Seas is an Oasis-class cruise ship owned and operated by Royal Caribbean International. Its complete length is 1,187 feet and 18 decks. The Allure of the Sea's maximum capacity of passengers is 6,780. Construction start on the ship was February 2008 and launched on November 20, 2009. The maximum speed is 41.9 kilometers per hour. Number 4. Oasis of the Seas. Oasis of the Seas is a cruise ship operated by Royal Caribbean International. She is the first of her class, whose ships are the largest passenger ships in the world. Her hull was laid down in November 2007 and she was completed and delivered to Royal Caribbean in October 2009. It has 18 decks, maximum capacity of passengers 5,606. The total cost of the ship is $1.4 billion and its speed is 45.4 kilometers per hour. Number 3. Symphony of the Seas. Symphony of the Seas is an Oasis-class cruise ship owned and operated by Royal Caribbean International. She was built in 2018 in the Chantiers de l'Atlantique shipyard in Saint-Nazaire, France, the fourth in Royal Caribbean's Oasis class of cruise ships. The total length of the ship is 1,184 feet and it has 18 decks. The fourth in Royal Caribbean's Oasis class of cruise ships at a gross tonnage of 228,081, and a maximum passengers capacity of 6,680. The total cost of the ship is $1.35 billion and its speed is 45.4 kilometers per hour. Number 2. Harmony of the Seas. Harmony of the Seas is an Oasis-class cruise ship built by STX France at the Chantiers de l'Atlantique shipyard in Saint-Nazaire, France, for Royal Caribbean International. The total length of the ship is 1,188.1 feet and the maximum capacity of passengers is 5,479. The world-class cruise ship built cost $1.35 billion and its maximum speed is 41 kilometers per hour. Number 1. Wonder of the Sea. The Wonder of the Seas is an Oasis-class cruise ship owned and operated by Royal Caribbean International. It was completed in 2022 in the Chantiers de l'Atlantique shipyard in Saint-Nazaire, France. The Wonder of the Seas measures 1,188 feet in length and has a gross tonnage of 236,857 across 18 decks. The maximum capacity of the ship is 5,734 passengers, and its speed is 41 kilometers per hour.